Hello. Well, you join me again for another exciting episode of trying to make Henny's rear wing look better than it did before. And again, another caveat that I'm going to add, apart from the hair looking a mess, that I'm going to add, because I always add this caveat to everything I do, is that this isn't someone doing this properly. I'm not an expert at this. I've got minimal experience doing this sort of thing. I just have a go basically. If it's something that I think I can do a half decent job on, remember, half decent job, I'll give it a crack on there. I'm not at the kind of skill levels where I could even buy a car, do it up and sell it on at a profit. I don't think I'm at that level. Obviously, depending on what needs doing to it. If it's just mechanical stuff, then quite possibly at some point. But bodywork is more of a practiced art, I think, and this is my first go at filling something that's quite a complex shape. So you've kind of got the shape of the wheel arch this direction to get right, but then you've also got the curvature of the bodywork coming round it, and the shut line against the door. So don't expect this at all to look anywhere near perfect when it's done. I just want to get it to, again, the 10-foot car that if you look at it from 10 feet away, it doesn't look too bad. It's only when you get closer that you notice the bits on there. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. Today's task is sanding back. I need to find some sort of block to give me that might do. Yeah, something like that, a little foam block that's a bit bendable, but I can still get onto it and it's fairly flattish. So yeah, we'll have a go with that. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I might set you up outside.
As the everyday tissue we see the world. Every day.
So first flatten off. Obviously it needs more filling because it's got bits and bumps and stuff in it, but the actual overall shape's not too far off. There's a little bit that you can see when I close the door right here, needs to come down a little bit on there, but the rest of it don't look too bad shape wise. It's really bumpy, so probably need to flatten it back and skim it again. But yeah, it's not too bad. It's coming along alright.